itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout.
That's a pretty small spider.
Down came the rain and washed the spider
That
out.
looks kind of fun.
Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Go ahead, little spider. Let's do it again.
The really itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout.
Okay, that's a really small spider.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
He's having fun.
Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the really itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Go on now. Go climb up again.
The really itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water
Okay,
spout.
that's a teeny spider.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
There she is.
Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the really itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again.
Look at her go. She's so small.
The three itsy bitsy spiders climbed up the water spout.
Yay!
Down came the rain and washed the spiders
They're all
out.
together now.
Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the three itsy bitsy spiders climbed up the spout again. The three itsy bitsy spiders climbed up the spout again.
Bye-bye, spiders.